Hey guys, so this is my Karcher. It's my 1900 psi pressure washer from Costco. I've done an unboxing video and one test with the pressure washer. So I'll show you what I've been doing today. So this is what I've gotten done so far. This is the back of my house. Now there was a lot of green up around the top. So what I did initially is I took the soap nozzle and I put a mixture of bleach and Mr. Clean and dish soap in the soap dispenser and sprayed it on the siding and left it for about 20-25 minutes, and then I sprayed it off using the turbo nozzle, the black one. One thing I did have to do is you have to get fairly close to get a lot of the green off. The bleach will help break it down. However, you can see how high I had to actually get up to actually get the siding clean. This is the soap dispenser that I put the bleach and cleaner in. Now in the manual it does recommend not to put bleach in it, so as soon as I'm done I'm going to make sure I rinse this out really well. And again, what I'm applying the soap and bleach onto the siding with is with the soap nozzle, and then after that I'll spray it off with the turbo nozzle. It actually works really well up close. So again, my house being white siding, I don't have too much of a concern with the bleach. However, I try to keep it off the green shutters, and if I get any on, I spray it off right away. And the bleach works really well. We have a lot of spiders in our area, and what I find is the spiders leave a lot of little black marks all over the siding, and the bleach helps break that down. So let's give it a try. Again, this is the soap nozzle on it. So again, I'm just trying to saturate the white siding, and you can see a little bit of the spider gunk up there and right above the window there. We're going to put it on there. And what I'll do is I'll spray all of the white siding on the front of the house. We'll let it sit for a few minutes and we'll spray it off. And when you're below, your siding looks quite clean, but when you're up close and personal with it, you can see how much green's on it. So that's what we're trying to get rid of. The rest of the siding doesn't look too bad. So to soap down the front of the house, I actually went through the whole entire canister for number one. So what I'm going to do is put some more bleach in. Again, I certainly wouldn't use this if it was a colored siding. I've done this for many years on this house and haven't had any issues with it. And then just what I had left, some palm olive, and we'll fill it up with that. Close her up and put a little more on. The soap on, I sprayed it with the soap tip. Put that back, and the next one where I'm going to clean it off is with the turbo nozzle. Now, one thing I did notice, if you get a little kink in your hose, it starts to act up and you start to almost get like a hissing noise. So just make sure your hose is nice and straight. Another thing I also noticed on the wand is it starts to loosen up pretty easy, even when it's tightened down quite hard. So make sure this part of your nozzle's nice and tight, because you can actually pop this part off by unscrewing it. The cleaner's been on for probably 5-10 minutes, so the next step is to spray it off with the turbo nozzle. I got the front of the house all cleaned up. What I'm going to do is the last side of the house that I have left to do. Once I'm done putting the soap on and rinsing it off, I'm going to give the house a good rinse with just the garden hose and the garden hose nozzle. That way I put a heavy amount of water on it just to clean up any leftover soap or debris. And before I put away the pressure washer, I'm going to clean the soap dispenser where I have the bleach and cleaner in really well. Make sure there's no leftover bleach in it, and I'll put some water through the hose, make sure there's no bleach in the hose, and then I'll make sure it's put away nice and clean and dry. Again, this is a Karcher 1900psi pressure washer. Works really good. We use it quite a bit around the old homestead and on the vehicles and boat, and so far has never let us down, so we'll certainly give it a long run trial and see how it works after a year or two. Again, you can get these at Costco in Canada. They're a couple $100. Doesn't quite have the power as a gas power pressure washer, but for a little electric one it works great, especially with the turbo nozzle. And it's nice that it comes with 4 different nozzles, one of them being a soap dispenser nozzle. And it's nice too with the 2 soap chambers. Anyways guys, just wanted to do a quick video on what I do to clean the house. Make sure to test a little area if you use your bleach and soap combo that I use. Again, I've been using this combo on this house for many years and never had an issue. So make sure you try it on a small area to make sure it's not going to affect your siding by bleaching it out. And again, I've been using this for a while and no issues. And make sure you wear old clothes, and certainly don't wear flip-flops on a ladder like I was doing. It's quite dangerous. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. And if you're not a subscriber and you want to consider subscribing, I'd love to have you on part of the team. Thanks for watching. Take care guys. Have a good night.